I can't even explain to you. They're like just so creamy.
What's up, T-Bad family? Welcome back to my channel where T-Bad stands for tasty, beautiful, and affordable dishes. My name's Fabian. We have Dos Equis ribs with sweet potato mash and soul food collard greens coming at you. This is going to be a dinner of $15 for 6 people. Let's get into it.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Oh my god, can you make this? Boom. Look at these. I've got to try these mashed potatoes. These are rosemary sweet potatoes. Oh my gosh. Wow. Guys, these are so much better than regular mashed potatoes. I can't even explain to you. They're like just so creamy. Now let's try these collard greens. Holy oof. You almost got me cussing. You almost got me cussing. We're gonna try these ribs. Oh my god. You can taste the beer. Wow. Oh my God, they're so tender. You can definitely taste the beer in it. Makes you feel like you can get drunk. And it just dissolves in your mouth. Wow. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It's a very affordable dinner. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Fabian. Thank you for watching the T-Bet channel. Until next time, bye.